Good afternoon, everyone. In previous classes, we are discussed about the hygiene, personal hygiene. In that, hair. Hair is made of dead cells. Hair is important because it brings oil to the surface of the skin, and it helps warm the body by trapping a layer of air next to the scalp. What are the hair care tips? We must wash hair regularly with shampoo. Rinse hair thoroughly with clear water after shampooing to remove all the soap. Don't scrub or rub too hard. It may irritate your scalp or damage your hair. So, wash regularly with shampoo and you must dry completely after shampooing. And next, massage your scalp well. If any excess oil and dirt, it will be removed. Okay, massage your scalp well and brush hair daily and combs brushes frequently. Okay, wash combs and brushes frequently. Don't share combs and brushes with one person to another one. Okay, this is about hair. Wash regularly with shampoo and don't share combs and brushes to one to another, and wash combs and brushes frequently. Brush hair daily. If any excess of oil and dirt will be there, they will be removed when you wash hair thoroughly. Why brush your hair? It keeps the scalp clean, removing dust and dead cells. It also adds shines. What are the hair and scalp problem? Lice, dandruff, splitting and breaking. Okay, these will be common in our day to day life because we have dandruff, and head lice is more common in hostel people. Is it right? So, when we are free from that, when we have washed our hair regularly twice a week, okay, it will remove any scalp or dust from our hair. And after that, dandruff. This condition is usually caused by dry skin. There is no cure for dandruff, but it can be controlled with special shampoos. By using special shampoos only, we can control the dandruff. Okay. And next one, head lice. This is a parasitic insects cause itching. Lice can't fly or jump from person to person, but they are easy to catch from other people. Okay, these lice can't fly and jump from person to person, but easy to catch from other people. Okay, we are all know well about these lice. Next one, avoiding and treating head lice. Don't share combs, hats, brushes, headphones, hair things. Don't share and use special shampoo. Wash your hair immediately. Any linens and clothes you have used should be washed in hot water or dry cleaned. Okay. If splitting and breaking will be there, we must chemical treatments will be there. Hair dye can weaken hair in the same way. Okay. If you put your hair in a ponytail, use a coated rubber band or soft cloth hair band. Okay, if you put your hair in a ponytail, you must use any rubber band, soft rubber band. And after that, skin. Human skin is the outer covering of our body. Skin plays main role. And functions of skin. What is the functions of skin in physiology? You read protection, vitamin D formation, temperature control, thermoregulation, sensation, control of evaporation, excretion, absorption. Okay, and there are three layers of skin: epidermis, dermis, and layer of and subcutaneous fat. And after that, common skin problems are bad odor and acne. Body odor means bad odor means during sweating or another liquid called apocrine is also secreted from our body. In that time, these apocrine combines with the bacteria and naturally present on the skin. Odor results bad smell. Bad odor is caused by poor hygiene. When we are, and some people in hostelers, they don't bath frequently, twice a day. If weather is cool means they're not even taking bath, and they come to the classes, no. So avoid that. Poor hygiene causes bad odor from that person, and food such as onions and garlic caused. And next one, acne. Acne is the pimples. Acne is created when oil from the oil glands mix with the dead cells and plug up the hair follicles in the skin. It creates a white head. A black head is when the air touches the blood turns to black. Okay, oil based makeup, suntan oil, hair gels, and sprays. If any pimples will be there, you must don't rub frequently. Don't scrubbing of the skin. Hard scrubbing of the skin may also causes pimples, and don't expose to the sunlight. Okay. Who have more skin oil, they may be getting pimples. And after that, wash face twice a day, face 2 times a day with a mild soap and gentle cleanser. Okay, use lotions only if needed. And next one, sunscreen every day during summer and winter. And after that, daily baths, showers using soap, and scrubbing the entire body with a washcloth, this will be needed. Okay, skincare tips: bath and shower by using soap regularly, and don't skip that bath. And wear clean clothes, not dirty clothes, clean clothes, and reduce stress levels which irritates the skin, and maintains a healthy diet. Protect yourself from the sun, drink plenty of fluids, and protect yourself from UV rays, and wear sunscreen, reapply it every 1 hour. And next one, teeth. Healthy teeth and gums enable you to chew food thoroughly, speak clearly, give shape and structure to your mouth. And dental problems means, what are the dental problems? Gingivitis, glossitis, dental caries, tooth decay, and stomach problems, tongue not clean, food stuck in teeth, sinus problems. These may cause it to increase or growth of microorganisms in our mouth. So avoid to this. We are regularly cleaned our mouth, and hygienic oral hygiene will be given to our mouth. Okay. And dental problems, halitosis means bad smell, tooth decay, plaque, tartar, periodontal diseases. And how to avoid dental problems: daily dental hygiene routine that consists of brushing 2 to 4 minutes. Okay. And flossing. If possible, brush after every meal or rinse your mouth with warm water. Use a soft bristle brush. And next one, 2 to 3 months, you must replace your toothbrush. Okay. And your toothpaste must contain have fluoride. Dental care: eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. Includes foods that contain calcium and such as milk and yogurt. Limit intake of sugar because tooth decay will be coming. And see a dentist every 6 months. And after that, ears. Wash ears daily with a washcloth. We must wash our ears daily with a washcloth. Don't forget, behind the ears also you must clean. And after that, usually earwax is usually removed when you chew food or gum. This is germs. And next one, nails and cuticles. The part of the nail that can be seen and touched is composed of dead cells, Thin skin-like layer at the base of each nail is called cuticle. Skin-like layer at the base of each nail is called cuticle, a non-living band of tissues. And after that, without proper care, they can become weak, ingrown, or infected. Nail care keeps nail clean. Round your fingernails slightly when trimming, and keeps nail trim, but do not cut nails shorter than skin level. Okay, do not cut the nails shorter than skin level. If any mud will be there, you must clean. Feet care. Wash your feet well at least once a day. Dry them carefully, especially between the toes. Keep feet and skin clean and dry. Change socks daily. Avoid walking barefoot in public areas. Wash your feet at least once a day. This is feet care. Make hygiene part of your daily routine. Okay? These all are about feet care. Cuticles care. Cuticles means clean and soft your hands in warm water. To keep your cuticles neat, push them back after soaking your hands while they are soft. You may also use cuticle remover, a chemical that dissolves the cuticle. Next one, nail care. Keeps nail trim but do not cut nails shorter than skin level. Okay, these are the nails and cuticles. Hands, ears. You must wash your ears front and back. Okay, behind the ears also you must wash. Don't forget to wash. And any ear wax is there, you must clean that ear wax. And dental care. For hygienic teeth, you must eat calcium and milk yogurt, any vegetables, fruits, 5 servings daily. And after that, toothbrush, replace your toothbrush every 2 to 3 months or after an illness. Use toothpaste that contains fluoride. And after that, any dental problems are there, halitosis and tooth decay, plaque, tartar, and periodontal diseases, you must take care of it. And tongue not clean, food stuck in teeth, sinus problems, stomach problems will be there. When you are not clean properly your teeth, you must face these all problems. Okay, so you must care about your teeth. And patients care, patients oral hygiene also. Okay, what are the skincare tips? Wear clean clothes, reduce stress levels, maintain a healthy diet, and after that, use antiperspirant, decreases perspiration and cover odor with a manly smell. If needed, lotions will be used. Okay, acne. In acne conditions, you must use any lotions. And avoid sunlight exposure. In body odor, poor hygiene. If poor hygiene means, you must make hygiene, uh, and any sweating will be there, or another liquid called apocrine is also secreted from your sweat gland. So you must clean your body twice a day. If poor hygiene means, skin problems will be occur, so take care of it. And next one, head lice, dandruff, hair. You must wash hair regularly with shampoo. Rinse hair thoroughly with clean water after shampooing to remove all the soap. This is all about personal hygiene. In personal hygiene, regular routine of personal care, washing and grooming of hair, face, skin, teeth, ears, hands, nails, and feet. These are all about personal hygiene. What is personal hygiene? Personal hygiene may be described as the principle of maintaining cleanliness and grooming of the external body. Okay. And what are all the types of hygiene? Personal, environmental, and social, personal, environmental, and psychological. These are all the types of hygienes. Okay, once go through this topic, once